Executive Director of State Disaster Management Authority, Matsudor Wan Nongbri, said that the detailed information on the damages and the financial loss caused due to calamities will be taken up at the district level, after which the district administration will calculate the damages and send it to SDMA. Addressing a press conference on Friday, she informed that the southwest monsoon has already started in Meghalaya. She also informed that the number of villages affected was 79, population affected 2,777, human life loss is 1 and animal loss is 3, and house damage is 186. Fire incident is 1 in West Khasi Hills and a lightning strike is 1. The most affected areas of landslides is the Sonaperdi Tunnel along National Highway 6 under the Lumshnong C and RD block.
Yes, we are in fact just prior to this conference we just had a very long in terms of cyclone, heavy rainfall, the number of villages are so. In fire incident we have had only one in West Khasi Hills. This is only for the past 9 days. Yeah? Lightning strike 1 and the rest are cyclonic storm and landslides. Of these, the more affected areas of landslides include the Sonaperdi Tunnel along the National Highway 6 under Lumshnong CNRD block and the Rangan area of the National Highway 40 Shillong Dalkey Road.